pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
In this video, I wanted to give a quick tour of my entertainment center setup. For the centerpiece, I have a 55-inch Samsung TV, which I unfortunately hung up incorrectly, thus giving me a perfect excuse to purchase a larger TV in the future. The TV is a 4K HDR LED TV from 2017, and I have no complaints. It's a great TV that provides excellent picture quality. It has smart features and speakers like most TVs, but neither of which I use. Instead, for consuming media and occasional casual gaming, I have a 4K Apple TV hidden behind it. I have a SteelSeries Nimbus for games, and while controversial, I do enjoy using the Apple remote and find no issues with its usability. For all my audio needs, I have a Sonos surround sound setup, utilising a Sonos Beam and two Sonos Ones for surround sound. I love these speakers, both for their design and sound quality. However, audio tuning could be a little smarter. I'm an avid fan of Philips Hue, and so to immerse myself even further in the media I consume, I have multiple Philips Hue bulbs and strips around my entertainment system, linked to a Philips Hue sync box. It's a great little box, but an expensive luxury. And finally, for those warmer summer months, I have two small fans connected to a smart plug, allowing me to turn them on with a simple Siri command. Hopefully this has given you some ideas for your own entertainment setup. Let me know what you think, and if you have any other suggestions for further updates I could make, then please leave a comment.